If you pull the lid of this tiny box, you're in for a big surprise. Today, I'm going to show you how to make this super fun jumping frog prank box. It's so easy to make. You just need a cardboard, a skewer stick, and a paper clip. The moment anyone slides the lid open, a frog will jump out of the box. You can also surprise someone with the jumping lizard. How about a spider? All the templates are available in the description below. If you like this craft, please don't forget to give this video a like and hit the subscribe button to join our crafty community. So, let's get creative, shall we? First, on the folded colored paper, draw a frog measuring 3 cm in length. Or you may also download the template in the description below. Cutting through the folded paper will give us 2 frogs at once. Take the layered cuts out and snip off the arms and the legs. For a 3D effect, fold the frog in the middle and on the sides, making a V fold. Then roll a small piece of paper and stick into the body for the filler. Cover the body with the layered cut out. Now the frog is no longer flat. To make the box, take an A4 size corrugated board. Measure 6 cm and draw a line across the cardboard. Then section it into 9 cm, 6 cm, another 9 cm, and another 6 cm. All the templates are available in the description below. To make the cover, make 2 pieces of rectangles measuring 5.5 cm by 9 cm. And make a 6 cm by 9 cm base. Cut out all the rectangles just as shown. For a nice thick cover, stick the 2 rectangles together. Now cut 2 pieces of cardboard strip, each 1 cm wide. This will be the sliding mechanism for the cover. Stick them together to make it more sturdy and thicker. Trim off 1 cm from it. And cut a small piece of rectangle to make a handle. Roll it and secure it with the glue. Attach the handle at least 3 cm from the folded side of the cover. To hold the sides of the cover, cut 2 pieces of 9 cm by 3 cm card strip. Fold each strip in half and apply glue inside the fold. Press it to reinforce them. Then bend it in half, making an L shape, just like this. Now grab a skewer stick, measure out 6 cm and cut it. To place the stick, we need to make a roller. Cut 12 cm by 4 cm and roll it. Roll it tightly but leave a space in the middle or the core for the stick. Make sure that the stick can fit nicely and move freely inside the core. Now grab a paper clip. Gently straighten it. Use pliers to bend it into a curve and form a loop on both ends. Bend the wire into a letter C. Add glue on the edge of the roller and insert one end of the wire, just like this. Now it looks like a hook. Press the sides of the roller to allow the glue to set and to secure the wire. To assemble the box, follow and bend the pencil lines on the cardboard. You may also use a ruler for a crisp fold. This will be the front side of the box. Trim 0.5 centimeter on the front side of the box. Now add some glue on the cardboard strip and stick it down right along the front edge. Make sure it's straight and lined up nicely. Trim half a centimeter to leave a space. Next, measure 3 centimeters from the edge and poke a hole using a pencil. Do the same thing on the matching side. This is where our roller stick will go. Now apply a little bit of glue into the tiny hole. Slide in the roller stick into one side, then bend the cardboard frame up to connect both sides. Add glue on the cardboard to connect the sides together. Hold it for a few seconds to let the glue set. Then take the base cutout and apply glue around the edges and stick it right onto the open side of the box frame. Remember that the hook should be facing on the front side. To hold the main cover, take the 2 L-shaped card strip and stick it on both left and right side of the box with the flat part facing down. We just completed making the box. Now we need to connect the frog. Cut the string measuring 12 centimeters. Tie a knot on both ends. Then take the end of the string and tie it at the bottom part of the wire. Add glue to the string to secure it to the roller. Now cut a tiny piece of paper, add glue and stick it onto the hook. Then stick the frog on top of it. Hold it for a few seconds to let the glue set. Take the main cover and poke a hole at the back of the handle. Hold the string and tie a knot 1 centimeter from the end. Then cut out the excess string. Add glue to the hole and insert the knot into it. Then stick a small piece of adhesive tape to flatten the surface and secure it. To attach the main cover, slightly lift the left and right sides. Now let's test it out if it works. Arrange the shape of the frog for a more 3D look. And finally, let's add some colors to the box. And there you have it. Your very own DIY jumping frog prank box is ready. If you had fun making this craft, please don't forget to give this video a like and hit the subscribe button for more interactive projects. Please comment down below if you have any fun projects in mind that we can make together next time. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next craft. Bye!